Here I have Google Pixel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, then go to the network and internet, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can switch your hotspot, here you can change its name, here you can change its security protocol, here you can change its password. In advanced you can also change its AP band, and you can set it to turn off automatically if no devices are connected. So yeah, and now you can also switch your hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.